Yeah. Okay. A very, very warm welcome and good evening to all the lovely, beautiful ladies and handsome gentlemen. Today is Saturday, and we will start with our Independence Day celebration. As yesterday, tomorrow is the Independence Day. We all know tomorrow is 15th of August, and tomorrow we have Indian Independence Day. But we will celebrate it very much today. Reason we are celebrating it today is because what happens, 15th of August. Many people might have some other plans to go or something like that. So that's why I'm thought that I will take up Saturday for the celebration part. So first we will be starting up. There are four stages of this event. First we will be starting up with the welcome lighting of the lamp, then the welcome song, then hoisting of the flag, and then the event and the vote of thanks. So this is the flow of event which I have discussed before starting the event, and a very very hearty welcome and a very very good evening to all the parents present over here, all the all that my fellow kiddos present over here, my beautiful and handsome kiddos present over here. uh, Dear parents, very very hearty welcome to everyone. So I would take this opportunity to grace this evening with a wonderful joy, and we will, of course, we have gathered over here to refresh ourselves, to refresh our minds, and let us make this evening very much joyful. Let us make this evening very much with thrill. Okay, so let me first, we all should first take up Almighty blessing. So for the same, I will be displaying the screen wherein we will be lighting the lamp digitally, and then afterwards we'll proceed ahead. So here I go with the screen share. So here we are done with the lighting of the lamp. Now I would like to present with the welcome song. This welcome song is dedicated and presented for all the students and for all the parents. So very hearty welcome to all.
सुन्दरं मनभावनं तव स्वागतं स्वागतं शुभ स्वागतं नित स्वागतम् सुन्दरं मनभावनं तव स्वागतं स्वागतं शुभ स्वागतं नित स्वागतम् आपका स्वागत महोदय हृदय की श्रद्धा समर्पित आपका स्वागत महोदय हृदय की श्रद्धा समर्पित स्नेह बंधन शक्ति देता मार्गदर्शन है अपेक्षित स्नेह बंधन शक्ति देता मार्गदर्शन है अपेक्षित धन्यतम दिन
A very, very hearty welcome to all the people. The song was specially played for y'all. Now, I would like to request everyone to stand for the national anthem. I will be playing the national anthem now. So I would request everyone to rise for the national anthem. Stand straight for the national anthem. Okay, so thank you so much for your kind attention. So here we are done with the hoisting of the flag, and now we will start with our event. All are ready? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Ready, sir.
Ready?
Ready, sir.
Okay, okay, that's very good.
Ready, sir.
Okay. Now I will take up one by one. Okay, Anya spotlighted your video. Anya can start presenting.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, start.
मैं हूँ झांसी की रानी, मेरा नाम है लक्ष्मीबाई। ये धरती मेरी माँ है, इस धरती में मेरे खून का हक कतरा कुर्बान है। मैं वीर शिवाजी के हर एक सपने को पूरा करती हूँ। हर हर महादेव, हर महादेव।
Wow, wonderful. Very good, Anya. You're looking very pretty. And the getup, who had helped you for this? Who had helped you for the wonderful getup?
My mom.
Mom? Okay. And the speech was prepared by whom?
Me. And
Me?
my mom.
Okay. Okay, that's very wonderful. Good, very good presentation, Anya. Wonderful. Keep it up. Next, I would like to call Ashvi. Spotlighted Ashvi. Start.
मेरा नाम आशवी जैन है। आज मैं आपके समक्ष एक कविता प्रस्तुत करने जा रही हूँ, जिसका शीर्षक है वीर तुम बढ़े चलो, वीर तुम बढ़े चलो, धीरे चलो, हाथ में ध्वजा रहे, बाल दल सजा रहे, ध्वज कभी झुके नहीं, दल कभी रुके नहीं, वीर तुम बढ़े चलो, धीर तुम बढ़े चलो, सामने पहाड़ हो, सिंह की दहाड़ हो, तुम निडर डरो नहीं, तुम निडर डटो नहीं, वीर तुम बढ़े चलो, धीर तुम बढ़े चलो, रात हो कि रात हो, संग हो न साथ हो, सूर्य से बढ़े चलो, चंद्र से बढ़े चलो, वीर तुम बढ़े चलो, वीर तुम बढ़े चलो, एक ध्वज लिए हुए, एक प्रण किए हुए, मातृभूमि के लिए, पितृभूमि के लिए, वीर तुम बढ़े चलो, धीर तुम बढ़े चलो। धन्यवाद।
Wow, Ashvi, wonderful. That was wonderful. Very good performance. Very nice. Keep it up. Who had helped you for the presentation? From where you have got this song? From where you have got this story?
My mama.
Okay. Can you just tell who had written this story? What you have presented?
Divakar Prasad Maheshwari.
Okay, that's very wonderful. Very good presentation. Keep it up. Abir, I would like to ask him to on his video so that I can spotlight him. Abir can start. Oh, my gentleman. Yeah, start.
Hello everyone, I am Abhi Goswami from Tusi.
Oh, to see? Okay, no problem. Move ahead. Move ahead.
Today I'm going to tell about one of our freedom fighter, Shaheed Bhagat Singh. सरफरोशी की तमन्ना अब हमारे दिल में है, देखना है जोर कितना बाजुए का दिल में है. Bhagat Singh was born on 28 September in Banga, Punjab. He fought for our freedom and we got independence on 15th August 1947. He said, Inqilab Zindabad, Inqilab Zindabad, long live revolution, long live revolution. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat. Thank you.
Wonderful. How you have done this mooch? I want your mooch.
My mother made this mooch.
How she made?
Black color. With black color.
Sketch pen.
No.
Okay.
Eyeliner.
Paint.
With
Okay,
eyeliner.
liner. Eyeliner. My God. Cap.
It's a
How you
paper.
made the cap? Paper
With a
hat.
chart paper.
Wow.
With a
As a chart paper. I was thinking that Abir is going to take some character from West Bengal or either from Maharashtra. Abir went to Punjab this time. Very good. I was thinking Abir will show me this food fest. What he did in what that food fest he did in school, no, today morning. I was thinking I was thinking he will say Otai Dakhabe. But he did something good initiative he had taken. Very good confidence. Very nice, Abir. Keep it up. Wonderful. You're looking so smart. You're looking like a Bhagat Singh. Very wonderful. Now I will take up Akshara spotlighted. Akshara can begin.
Actually, I didn't know how to do.
Okay, please prepare certain things and come. I will give you time. We are having half an hour. Please prepare certain things.
Sir?
Yeah, you can display the picture on the screen. The screen share is on.
Oh, okay. I haven't taken a photo of it, so can I just prepare for that?
Yeah, please prepare for that. I will give you time.
Okay, thank you.
Anika, spotlighted your video.
Yes, sir.
People, those who are not prepared, make sure that you're preparing something and coming half an hour is there. Prepare something and keep it ready. Anika can start.
Okay, sir. Hello, everybody. I'm Anika Dikshit from Ghaziabad, Standard 3rd A. Today, I shall speak on the topic Subhash Chandra Bose. Subhash Chandra Bose was well known as Netaji. He was born on 23rd January 1897 in Cuttack, Odisha. He was a freedom fighter. He was a founder of Azad Hind Fauj. His father Janak Nath was a lawyer. His mother Prabhadevi was a religious lady. He was a brilliant student. He did graduation in 1990. He became the president of Indian National Congress. Unitly, he was died in a plane crash. He gave the slogan Jai Hind. Thank you.
Okay, very wonderful. Very nice. Very good presentation. Who had helped you for this
Sir,
speech?
my father.
Your father? Yes, very good. Very good. You have said it so confidently. Very good. Very nice.
Thank you, sir.
Keep it up. Now, Farhan can begin.
Hi,
Looking
good
so
morning
nice,
and
so smart.
thank you.
Yeah, start.
Hi, good morning and good evening, everyone, and happy Independence Day. Today I've chosen to speak about community helpers, from which I'm going to talk about teachers. Each and every community helper has its own importance, but teaching is the profession that makes most community helpers, like doctors and police officers. Teachers are the ones who guide us Teachers are the ones who guide us to differentiate what is right or wrong. They mold our personality. So it is the most respectful position. It is our duty to learn and abide what we're taught. September 5th is celebrated as Teachers Day. Teachers Day in memory of birthday of Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan, who is a teacher. I am thankful to all my teachers who made me a better person than who I am.
Wow, that's very wonderful and something very much meaningful also. Very good. Keep it up. Very
Thank you.
nicely presented. Today I saw your complete face. Every time I can see just the ceiling of the fan.
Uh,
Wonderful. Good boy. Now I will take up this. Who is that? Felisa. Spotlight.
Yes, sir. Good evening, my dear friends. I am friends and family. I am going to enlighten you all with a few words about Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. Sardar Patel was the first deputy prime minister and prominent freedom fighter. He was also called the Iron Man of India. He was a lawyer by profession. He fought for freedom struggle along with Gandhi and Nehru. He also worked for many social reforms. He worked against untouchability, caste discrimination, and for women empowerment. Sardar Patel championed investment-led growth. He said, spend less, save more, and invest as much as possible. This should be the motto of every citizen. His birthday is celebrated as National Unity Day. Thank you.
Okay. That's very wonderful, Felisa. Very good. I guess you have prepared certain food fest also, right?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, please present the people. One more thing. Let us first finish with the presentation and then I will take up the food fest. Okay. So those who are doing the food fest can keep their food fest food decorations ready. I will call after this. Once we are done with the presentation, then I will call up with the food fest. Okay. Yeah.
Okay.
Now let me. Yeah, food fest we will take up later. Let's first finish the presentation. Garvish spotlighted your video. Yeah, Garvish can start. Garvish spotlighted. He's not getting spotlighted. Why did don't?
Sir, my video is spotlighted, sir. It's not going.
Yeah. Let me wait just 1 minute. Yeah, 1 minute. 1 minute. Let me see. Okay, no problem. It's fine. Havantika spotlighted. Havantika start. Havantika start.
Sir, I am ready with the food feast.
Food fest. Okay, you're ready with the food fest. Okay, fine. Okay, I will take up later. 1 minute. Ishmeet spotlight. Ishmeet can start. After Ishmeet, Jivika be ready. And then Manoranjan be ready. Ishmeet, you have dressed up very nicely, very beautifully. Yeah, we can't see your face. Yeah. Now it's fine. You can start.
Subhash Chandra Bose. Subhash Chandra Bose was a freedom fighter and one of the causes to India's freedom. He was known as Netaji, meaning respected leader. He joined the nationalist movement led by Mahatma Gandhi and the Indians National Congress. He was the president of India's National Congress from 1938 to 1939. His famous quote is, "It is blood alone that can pay the price of freedom." Give me blood and I will give you freedom. Jai Hind.
Okay, very wonderful, Ishmeet. Very wonderful. Who had made you this prepared? Who had helped you in making everything prepared, like the get up, then the speech?
My father.
Your father? Wow, very wonderful. You're looking so smart and you have presented also very smartly. Very good, girl. Keep it up.
Thank you.
Thank you to him also. Okay, Jivika, spotlight. Yeah, start. After Jivika, Manoranjan, be ready. After Manoranjan, Navya, be ready.
Sir, but I'm ready with only breakfast, sir.
Okay, okay.
Of our life.
1 minute, 1 minute. At 1 minute, Jivika. Manoranjan, I have already said you that whenever, if anyone is speaking, do not speak in between. So if at all you, those who are ready with the food fest, if at all I'm spotlighting you all, you can tell me that time when your turn comes. Do not interrupt if anyone is telling you something. You can start, child.
Doctor is the main person of our life. It helps.
Introduce yourself a little bit. Who are you? What's your name? Introduce yourself a little bit and then move ahead.
My name is Jirika Das. Today I am telling about doctor. Doctor is the main person of our life. They treat us when we have sick. Now we have to help them with wearing mask, doing hand sanitizer, and wash our hands. Thank you.
Okay, fine. So, who had made you these things prepared?
My mom.
Okay, very wonderful. Good girl. So you have said about the doctor, right?
Yes.
Okay, okay, okay. Very wonderful. Now let me take up Manoranjan. Manoranjan has spotlighted. Now tell what you have, what you want to tell.
Sir, but I'm only
You are
ready
ready with
with
the food
first.
fest? Okay, no problem. Navya, spotlight your on your video, Navya. Let us let us spotlight your video. Navya. Yeah. Oh my goodness. Oh, ready with the food fest, right, Navya? Yes, sir, I didn't hear. You're not audible to anyone, Navya. You're not audible to anyone. Removes the headphone if you have connected the headphone to the device. Okay, she's ready. She's having food fest. Aryan, spotlighted.
Sir, I am ready with the food fest.
Food
Start.
fest. Okay, fine. Okay. Rhythm. Rhythm.
Yes.
Yeah. I'm spotlighting you.
Sir, my
Rhythm.
video.
1 minute. 1 minute. Your video is not getting. Your video is off. On your video, then only I can spotlight you.
Sir, I on my video.
Your video is not on. It's not showing for us that your video is on. It's showing your video is off. That's why I'm not able to spotlight you. Rhythm, rejoin it again. Leave the meeting and rejoin again.
Okay, sir.
Sanvi, spotlighted.
Okay, sir.
You
My
ready with
little
the food
sister
fest?
and I will be singing a song. My sister is 4 years old.
Okay, song is you're doing the song, right? Song will come later. What? Okay?
Okay.
Okay, fine.
Sorry.
Sarah. Sarah, I have spotlighted you. Yeah, you can start. Sarah is a teacher, right?
No.
She's looking. Sarojini Naidu, yeah, you're looking also like her. Very good. Who had helped you for the dressing up and everything?
My mother and my elder sister.
Wow, you're looking so pretty. Very good. Start.
Thank you.
Start.
Good evening, my dear friends and my dear teachers. I wish you a happy Independence Day. Today, I want to play a role of Sarojini Naidu, one of the famous freedom fighters of India. I am the first woman president of India National Congress. I support women's rights. That is, girls and boys are equal. I love to write poems. They call me Nightingale of India. Thank you and Jai Hind.
Wow, very wonderfully presented. And can you just tell who is behind that paper? Who is that personality behind that paper?
That is election party.
Oh, okay, okay, wonderful. Okay, you're ready with the food fest also, if I'm not
Get
wrong.
another paper.
Didn't get another paper. Oh my God, so sad. Okay, no problem. Okay, you have presented it very wonderfully and spoke very nicely. Very
Thank
wonderful.
you.
Get. You're looking also like a Sarojini Naidu. Okay, Vihan, spotlighted. Keyboard you will play, right? Keyboard afterwards, after the song.
Yes, sir. Okay. So
Okay.
I wanted
Okay,
to play national anthem.
national
So I'm
anthem.
ready
Okay,
with the
fine.
food fest.
Okay, okay, food fest. Okay, fine. Now, those who are with the food fest, raise your Zoom hand. Those who are ready with the food fest, raise your Zoom hand. Yeah. Felisa is there for the food fest. Monoranjan is there for the food fest. Havantika, Vihan, Nihant, Navya, Aryan, Akshara, and Garvish. These all are for the food fest. I will call one by one. Okay, first I'm starting with those who are for the food fest, raise your Zoom hand. Manoranjan, spotlighted your video. Start. Unmute yourself and start presenting. People can present
Hello,
the
sir.
screen also.
I made three dish out of India. Can I show it to you?
Yeah, of course, you need to show.
Yes, sir.
On your back camera and show.
Oh, I don't know to on my back camera.
See, there is an option towards the right hand side.
Yes, sir. Got it.
Okay. What is this? 1 minute.
India flag, sir.
Okay, Indian flag. What you
Can
have
I light
used for
the
the orange?
candles?
Yeah, light the
No,
candles.
sir. Carrot.
Carrot you have used for orange. White, what you have used?
Yes, sir. Radish, sir.
Radish. And green, what you have used?
Bell pepper, sir.
Bell pepper. Okay. And the candles are tricolor candles. You have made those candles at home, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. What's the procedure of making?
We bought an ordinary candle, sir, and painted with the poster color, sir.
That's very great and unique. And what's that frame which you have lighted that I'm not able to see?
1 minute, sir. Clear?
That frame. Yeah, that frame, some Indian flag frame you have kept, right?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Okay.
And this is a small Indian flag which I made by my
Okay.
own, sir.
By my
And
own. Okay.
this is
Okay. Under the base, white color is what?
rice, sir.
Okay.
With
Who had helped you making this preparation?
my mom, sir.
Okay, that's
That
very
one
wonderful.
was my mom.
Now
These
I
two
have
were-
opened the group. Do not forget to send up now those who are participating in the food fest as well as those who have participated in the fancy dress. Do not forget to send a picture in the group. So once you're done with
Okay.
your performance, you should click up. It's for everyone. Everyone will listen very carefully. Do not forget to post a picture. If you're playing a guitar also or whatever you're playing, if you're singing a song also, if you're playing a keyboard, or if at all you're presenting food fest or you're presenting as a fancy dress, do not forget to click a picture and send it in the group. I have opened the group. After the class ends, the group will be locked. So until the class is going on, do not forget to send the pictures in the group. Very nice, Manoranjan. It was something new.
Sir, one
Very
hello.
good.
Sir, sir,
Speaking,
sir, my
No one will
camera
talk
is
in
on.
between. No one will talk in between. I have already said. Yeah, what happened,
Sorry.
Manoranjan?
Sir, the Indian map, he only, I mean, it's a trace at paper, and then everything I give a idea only, not
Yeah, yeah, no
myself. I
problem.
typed
It's
it.
fine. It's fine. I just asked it. No problem.
Okay.
It's fine. He has done it very
Because
wonderful.
he is
And
very upset. You said no, he is very upset. He is showing on face to me. That's why I'm clarifying,
no,
sir.
no. This is just a part
And
of
supporting only. That's
interaction.
it. I did everything,
Yeah,
and
it's
he only
just
made
an
it.
interactive. Don't worry. Just asked for the interactive thing. I
Yes.
just
Oh,
asked
sorry,
to
sir.
interact. I didn't.
Okay, okay.
Yeah, and
So
I am
1 minute.
asking it to everyone. I'm asking it to everyone. If you have observed.
Sir, can I off my light and show to you?
Yeah. Off your light and show it. You have presented it very wonderfully. Something unique which I saw today. Very good. Very nice. Okay. Very good. Nicely presented, Manoranjan. And do not
Thank
forget
you,
to
sir.
click a picture and send it in the group. The group
Okay,
is
sir.
open. Your group, I have locked it today. So send me your photo. You will send me personally. Now I will
Okay,
take up
sir.
Vihan. Vihan with the food fest ready. Spotlighted Vihan.
Yes. So actually, I only made one thing.
Okay, what's that? Okay, what you have used? Explain certain things.
So this is carrots on the top.
Hmm.
This is brindle.
Hmm.
In middle, I've used cucumber, and these are blueberries.
Okay, that's very great. Who had helped you to cut out this thing?
So no one.
No one? You did it
No.
by yourself?
Yeah.
Okay, that's very wonderful. Good. Do not forget to post a picture in the group, you holding the dish as well as the dish picture. Now I will take up Nihan. Nihan can start presenting. I have spotlighted.
This is cucumbers.
Nihan is going to present. This is Arush.
Did you Annas?
Yeah. Arush is going to present afterwards when his turn will come.
Yes.
Okay, what you have used?
How to do it?
Some background noise is coming, Nihant. I would like. Vihan, 1 minute. I have spotlight. I have not spotlighted your video. The keyboard you play it afterwards. 1 minute. Nihant
Sir, I didn't realize I was unmuted. I was just doing something.
Okay. Yeah, I present it, Nihant. You have been spotlighted. Do it faster. We have others also to take up. Okay, I will take up Aryan. Spotlighted. Yeah. Show me your presentation. Okay, we have used cashew nuts for white. Orange you have used. Sorry.
Masoor dal is
Hmm.
rich in source of potassium.
Okay.
Cashew nuts are rich in fiber.
Okay.
Green peas are rich in vitamins
Hmm.
and zinc.
Okay. That's very wonderful. Someone helped you or who gave you the idea behind making this?
Sir, it is my idea, sir.
Okay, fine.
The
Okay.
colors are mother's idea, sir.
Okay, that's very good. No problem. It's very nicely done. Very good. Keep it up.
Thank you,
Akshara, I have spotlighted your video. After Akshara, Felisa, be ready.
I don't.
Yeah, show your dish, what you have made. Yeah, very wonderful. For the orange, you have used what?
Carrots.
And for the white?
For the whites, I've used bananas.
And the green?
And for the green, I've used the kiwi.
Okay. That's very good. Very nicely. Yeah,
And
what
in
happened?
the middle, I've used
Okay,
a half
okay,
cut going.
okay, that's very nice. Okay, was it your idea? Who had helped you in cutting out the fruits and things?
My mum helped me in cutting, and
Okay,
I gave her the idea to put a blueberry in the middle. So she
okay,
chose the colors
okay,
of what fruit they should be, and
okay, that's
I
wonderful.
gave her the idea to put the.
Okay, okay, that's very wonderful. Very nice. Havantika, you have been spotlighted. You can start presenting.
Sir, I have done tricolors.
Yeah, your video is stuck
This
somewhere. We
is
are not
cat.
able to see. You're not. We are not able to see you. Your video is stuck. Off your video and again on your video. Yeah, again on it. Yeah, now we can see properly. Yeah, you can speak few words
I
on
have
this.
done a salad. Sir, I have done a tricolor salad. This
Okay,
is carrot, and this
okay,
is cabbage, and this
okay.
is
Capsicum.
capsicum,
Okay, and
and
what
this
is
is
at the center?
brinjal.
Brinjal at the center. Okay, okay. So who had helped you cutting out these things and giving you the ideas?
My mom, sir.
Okay, that's very wonderful. Thanks to her also. Very nicely presented. Good girl. Felisa spotlighted. Felisa can begin. Havantika is done. Felisa can begin. Okay, what is this, Felisa? What all things you have used?
The orange part is carrot, sir. The center part is cabbage, and the green part is capsicum.
Okay, and the blue one is what?
Snake god.
Okay, you have painted it using blue color?
No, sir. We dropped 2 drops of ink.
Ink on that. Okay, that's very much unique something. Very good presentation. Who had helped you preparing and making up this thing?
Mother.
Mother. Okay, that's fine. Very wonderful. Good girl. Anything apart from this you want to tell? No?
No,
Okay.
sir.
Okay. Navya, Sanvi on your, sorry, Navya spotlighted. Navya. Now, those who want to do any other activity like singing, poem, or they want to recite something, or they want to play a keyboard or something like that, or a dance or a song on Independence Day, it should be regarding Independence Day. Raise your hands. Okay, raise your Zoom hand. Those who want to do extra things regarding Independence Day, something.
Sir, I also have something regarding the food.
Yeah. Okay, you have also Food Fest. Okay. Sanvi spotlighted for the Food Fest.
Okay, I want. Huh. So I don't know how. Can you see it yet?
Yeah,
This is
we
upside
can
down.
see.
I use carrots for the orange bit. I use mokana for the white.
Okay.
And for the green, I use fenugreek.
Okay. Who had helped you doing this?
My mom had helped me because I'm not good at cutting.
Okay,
So
no, it's not expected also because you are too small. No problem, it's fine. You have done it good. Was it your idea behind putting makhana? Sanvi, was it your idea behind putting makhana?
my little sister.
Okay, it's fine. Good. No problem. Okay, now I will, those who want to do anything apart from this, like anything else, any other activity regarding Independence Day, any song or anything, they can raise their hands. Okay. Navya spotlighted. You can show me Navya properly. Okay, what is that? Carrot. Then potato. Okay, and one fell down. One fell down. Okay. Okay, fine. That's good. Very nicely done, Navya. Very good. Who had helped you making these things? Okay, that's very great. Wonderful. Navya, is there anyone else is there for the food fest? Garvish is there. Garvish spotlighted your video. What food fest you want to show? Please show us your food fest.
Hey, Race JC. My name is Arish.
No, they're not doing this anymore. They're doing the food fest. No, no, no.
Arush, go on. No one will on their mute button in between. 1 minute. Garvish wants to present his food fest. Garvish, you're spotlighted. Present your food fest, Garvish.
First,
Yeah.
there is a tomato.
Okay. Wow. Wonderful.
And in the second,
Okay.
there is rice.
Okay.
And
Okay.
then in the third, there
Okay.
is cabbage, capsicum.
Okay. Okay. And who helped you, Garvish, in making this? Okay. Fine. He's having some network problem. No worries. I will take up with the food fest is Sanvi. What do you want to perform?
Not a food fest. I meant about other activities.
Okay, other activity you can start.
I munch those makanas. Okay, so me and my little sister, we
Okay,
will be
take your
singing.
time. Take your time. Then afterwards, I will again give you the chance. Meanwhile, let me take up with Anika. Be ready, Sanvi.
Yes, sir.
Anika can
Sir,
start.
I make a craft for Independence Day.
Craft. Okay, show me your craft. Okay, wow, wonderful.
So it is a fan.
I understood it's a fan. Very nice. Good girl.
Thank you, sir.
Okay. Vihan is going to present a keyboard, right? Where is he? Yeah. On your video, let me spotlight you, Vihan. Okay. Meanwhile, I will take up with Sanvi. Sanvi, you're ready? Do not forget to put the food fest photos also in the group. You holding the work and the food fest photo. Do not forget that. Do not forget to post the photos of the food fest. People, am I audible to all?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Sanvi is not responding. I will take up with Akshara.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, Akshara, what do you want to tell?
Can I now present my drawing?
Yeah, you can present your drawing. Yeah.
Okay. I got to this screen. Okay.
You can show us over here also. No problem. Show us over here. You raise your book and show.
1 second. I'll have to go to. One second. Sir,
Yeah.
if we make an activity, so we can also.
Yeah, put that. Yeah, put that also photo.
Okay, sir. I think I've got it.
Please do it faster. We do have only limited time. Because I
Okay.
have another meeting also. So I cannot give more time. Okay, meanwhile, I will take up with Havantika. Havantika spotlighted your video. What do you want to do? Avantika have spotlighted your video.
Sir, we cannot see her, sir. We can only see the screen share, sir.
Yeah.
Oh,
Avantika, show me what you have done. Wow,
Sir, I
that's very
have
wonderful.
craft for my
Very
school
nice.
project.
Very good. Very good.
And
Very good.
professor.
Wow, wonderful. Very nice. Do not forget to post pictures. Rhythm spotlighted your video. What do you want to show?
Yes, sir. Sir, I say regarding to the Independence Day.
Okay, show. You can.
Good evening to all my friends. ये बात हवाओं को बताए रखना, रोशनी होगी चिरागों को जलाए रखना, लाओ देकर जिसकी हिफाजत हमने की, ऐसी तिरंगे को सदा दिल में बसाए रखना. Thank you.
Okay, that's very wonderful. Now I will take up Havantika is done. Lower your hands, Havantika. Sanvi wants to do, right? Yeah.
Yes, me and my little sister are going to sing a song.
Okay.
Sing a song called Nanda Munna Rahi Ho.
Yeah, please do it faster.
रानी हो देश का सिपाही हो, बोलो मेरे संग जय हिंद जय हिंद जय हिंद जय हिंद. देश का सिपाही हूँ, बोलो मेरे संग जय हिंद जय हिंद जय हिंद जय हिंद जय हिंद. आस्ते पे चलूंगा ना डर डर के, चाहे मुझे जीना पड़े मर मर के, मंजिल से पहले रहूंगा कदम, आगे ही आगे बढ़ाऊंगा कदम. धन्यवाद धन्यवाद. नन्ना मुन्ना राई हूँ, देश का सिपाही हूँ, बोलो मेरे संग जय हिंद जय हिंद जय हिंद जय हिंद जय हिंद.
Okay, that's very wonderful, Sanvi. Let me give the chance to Vihan. Vihan, you can start. We have very less time.
Yes, sir. One second. Sir.
Wow, very rhythmic. Vihan, you're learning with someone?
No,
You're
sir,
learning?
I stopped for like when the lockdown started. I stopped.
Okay, very wonderful, Vihan. Wonderful. Now we will like to conclude the meeting by playing Vande Mataram, and then we are done. We are good to go.
Sir, would you like to meet someone? Kano.
1 minute afterwards, I
Sir,
will
do
meet.
you know Advita?
Yeah, I will meet her afterwards.
Vande Mataram Sujala Sufala Malayaj Sheetala Sasya Syamala Mataram Vande Mataram Shubhrajyosna Pulakitayamini Pullakusumita Drumadala Shobhini Suha सुमधुरभाषिणी सुखदां वरदां मातरं वन्दे मातरम् वन्दे मातरम्
Thank you, everyone. Thank you to each and every parent to support for this evening and to grace this occasion. And thank you to all my little kiddos, little handsome and beautiful kiddos. Thank you so much for your participation. It was really very wonderful to meet you all, to greet you all on this occasion. And thank you so much to all the parents for attending the event and to participate and do everything. Thank you so much last but not the least, thank you to the technology who had combined us together and to make this event successful. Thank you so much, everyone. Bye-bye. Over here, I conclude the meet. Bye-bye all. Bye. We'll meet tomorrow. Shihan, show me who came.
Yeah,
Shihan,
so 1 second. I'll tell them. That's the calling.
yeah.
Advita,
Bye-bye.
sir is now calling you. You have to come. Did you stop?
Yes. Yes.
Sir.